Hello, in this video I show you the location and how to replace the thermostat on Hyundai i30 third generation, which is PD 1.4i. The thermostat is right there next where this hose is going, and it's onto the engine. So we need to remove this hose, and then there is two bolts holding the thermostat. So first we remove the clamp for the hose, and we remove the hose so that it's not in our way. Here I'm going to show you the two bolts that are on the thermostat housing that we need to remove. One of the bolts is right there onto this plastic pipe, and the other bolt should be right there. It's actually a nut on that side. One side is a bolt, the other side is a nut. So first to start by removing the bolt on the thermostat housing. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And as the bolt removed, next we need to remove the nut. Before we start removing the nut, we're going to disconnect that negative terminal of the battery, and then we're going to remove the positive cable that's going to the alternator, because this positive cable is in our way to remove the nut on the thermostat housing. Okay, that's the positive cable on the alternator removed. Now next we need to remove the nut on the thermostat housing. And that's the nut removed. Now we need to remove the thermostat housing, and afterwards we remove the thermostat. The thermostat doesn't want to come out so easily, so we might need to pry it out a little bit. And that's the thermostat out. Next, we'll put on the new thermostat and assemble everything in the reverse order. Thank you for watching.